Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Self-Control, Meditation, Chapter 6, Shloka number 31. He who being established in unity worships me, dwelling in all beings, that yogi abides in me, whatever be his mode of living.
Chapter 6, Shloka 31. Sarvabhudasthitam yo mam bhajatyekatvam astitah sarvata vartamanopi sayogi mayi vartate.
Chapter 6, Shloka 31. The perception of the unity in diversity was described, and the idea that a man of perfect self-control and meditation on realizing the self becomes the self is emphasized now as follows. Due to ignorance, the individual ego identified with matter. The meditator has integrated himself and through single pointed steady contemplation upon self drops the identification and become the self, which is the self of all. Thereafter, he constantly lives in the self through a conscious awareness of the self. Lord says that such an individual, whatever his activities are in the realm of matter, ever lives in me through the conscious awareness of the self. Such a man of realization does not have to retire in a cave, but can maintain his divine state of consciousness under all conditions, in whichever state he exists. For example, when a man is sick, he must go to a hospital for treatment. But once he is cured, he need not stay in the hospital ever after, but should come back where he was earlier and with greater efficiency work and serve the people and be more active than before. In fact, real work can only be done when one is established in the self. Gita calls this devotion through work. Lord Krishna became an example himself by becoming the charioteer of Arjuna and faced the arrows before they could reach Arjuna in the battlefield. Even so, each one of us can enter any field of activity, maintaining the constant awareness of the divine in us. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.